Have you also spent years learning English? Maybe 3 years, maybe 2? Do you feel nervous when someone talks to you in English? Do you understand but can't answer? I know that feeling. And today, I am going to fix that. In 10 minutes, you will have real conversations in English. Not textbook English, real English that Americans actually use every day. Stay till the end because the last part will surprise you. Before we start, I want to tell you something. When I first came to learn English, I was scared. I thought, my accent is wrong, my grammar is not perfect, people will laugh at me. But you know what I learned? Nobody cares about your accent. Nobody cares about perfect grammar. They care about, can you communicate? Can you express yourself? And the answer is yes, you can. You just need the right practice. And that is exactly what we will do today. Let's go! Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ayla English Academy. I am Ayla, your English teacher. My goal is simple, to help you speak English with confidence. Today, Lesson 2, real conversations at school, at the cafe, and at the market. So grab your notebook and let's start. Okay, first scene. You are at school in the USA. A classmate talks to you. What do you say? Listen first, then repeat. Hey, are you new here? Yes, I just started this week. Cool. What's your name? My name is Ayla. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Which class are you in? I am in English class, room 204. Oh, nice. I'm in that class too. Let's walk together. Sure, that sounds great. Now repeat after me slowly. I just started this week. Nice to meet you. Let's walk together. That sounds great. These are real phrases Americans use every day. Practice them. Amazing. Next scene. You are at a cafe in America. You want to order coffee. This is very common. You will use this every day. Listen carefully. Hi, welcome. What can I get for you? Hi, can I get a medium coffee, please? Sure. Hot or iced? Iced, please. Any milk or sugar? Just a little milk. Thank you. Got it. Can I get your name? Ayla. A-Y-L-A. Perfect. That'll be $4. Here you go. Your order will be ready in 2 minutes. Thank you so much. Repeat key sentences. Can I get a medium coffee, please? Iced, please. Just a little milk. Thank you so much. Americans say, can I get, not give me. Remember this, it sounds more polite. Great job. Last scene. You are at an American grocery store. You need help finding something. Listen. Excuse me, can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Where are the apples? They are in aisle 3 on the left. Thank you. Also, do you have fresh bread? Yes, fresh bread is at the back of the store. Perfect. One more question. How much is this milk? That one is $3.50. Great. Thank you so much. No problem. Have a good day. You too. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Where are the apples? How much is this? Have a good day. You too. Now let's put it all together. I will say a situation. You respond. Ready? Let's go. Someone says, "Nice to meet you." You say, "Nice to meet you too." Someone says, "What can I get for you?" You say, "Can I get a coffee, please?" Someone says, "Have a good day." You say, "You too. Thank you." Perfect! You are doing amazing! Now, repeat these 3 power sentences. I can speak English confidently. I am improving every single day. English is becoming easy for me. Okay, surprise time. Here is a secret tip. Americans have 3 words they use all the time. Number 1, sure instead of yes. Number 2, totally means I agree. Number 3, no worries instead of you're welcome. Start using these 3 words and your English will sound natural immediately. You're welcome. You did it! Today you learned real conversations at school, at the cafe, at the market. This is real English used every day in America. Remember, your accent is beautiful. Your effort is amazing, and you are improving every single day. Don't stop now. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to Alla English Academy, and comment below which scene was your favorite, school, cafe, or market. See you in lesson 3. Bye-bye, take care.
Alla English Podcast. Learn and speak English every Sunday, 6 p.m. Alla English Academy.